In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replay in Ctrader. By the end, you'll be able to watch past market action as if it were happening live, which is great for practicing strategies and reviewing price behavior without the pressure of real-time movement. First, launch Ctrader desktop on your computer. Give it a moment to load your workspaces and connect to the market. If this is your first time, the default layout is perfect for what we're doing. Next, open any symbol you want to study. You can double-click a symbol in your watch list or use the search bar to find it. The replay feature works across different time frames, so pick the time frame that fits your practice session, whether that's 1 minute for fast action or a higher time frame for a broader view. Make sure the chart you want to replay is active. Click directly on the chart area so it's in focus. You should see it highlighted with active borders or controls. This ensures the replay tools will apply to the correct window if you have multiple charts open. Now, click the replay, also called the time machine, icon. You'll typically find it on the charts toolbar. When you activate it, the chart will switch into replay mode and you'll see controls that let you choose where to start and how the playback behaves. If the icon isn't visible, confirm you're looking at a standard chart view and not another panel. From here, control the replay using the on-screen controls. Choose a start date and time so the chart hides future candles, then press play to begin. Adjust the speed to move through history faster or slower, and use pause whenever you want to analyze a moment closely. You can step forward bar by bar, drag the timeline to jump to a new point, and zoom in or out to see more detail. Drawings and annotations still work, which is helpful for marking levels or patterns. Any trading actions during replay are for practice only and won't affect a live account. You are now watching historical price action in a way that feels uncertain, just like real time. This removes hindsight bias and helps you judge entries and exits based on what you could actually see at the moment. Take advantage of this to test rules, spot errors, and build confidence. When you're done, click Stop Replay to exit replay mode. The chart will return to live data and you can continue your regular analysis. That's all there is to it. Simple, focused, and incredibly useful for sharpening your trading process.